Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing an exciting topic, how cryptocurrency works. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that uses cryptography to secure and verify transactions. It operates independently of a central bank and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. So, how exactly does cryptocurrency work? Each cryptocurrency has its own blockchain, a digital ledger that records all transactions. This ledger is distributed across a network of computers, called nodes, and is constantly updated. Each transaction is verified by multiple nodes, ensuring that the same digital token isn't spent more than once. This is what makes cryptocurrency so secure. When a transaction is made, it's broadcasted to the network and verified by multiple nodes. Once the transaction is verified, it is added to the blockchain, forming a block. This block is then linked to the previous block, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. This decentralization makes it difficult for any one entity to manipulate the cryptocurrency system. The consensus algorithm used by each cryptocurrency determines how the nodes reach consensus on which transactions are valid. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin. When a Bitcoin transaction is made, the sender uses their private key to sign the transaction, and the public key of the recipient is used to verify it. The transaction is then broadcasted to the network, where it's verified and added to the blockchain. So there you have it, a brief overview of how cryptocurrency works. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way we think about money. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about cryptocurrency, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.